Nick, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you always feel confident speaking English?
No, not at all. Sometimes I feel very insecure.
What makes you feel that way?
I worry about pronunciation and grammar and saying the wrong thing.
That's very common.
It is?
Yes, many English learners feel the same way.
But when I hear fluent speakers, they sound so natural.
They do, but remember, they also made thousands of mistakes before.
That's hard to imagine.
Confidence doesn't come first. Practice comes first.
So confidence is the result?
Exactly.
Sometimes I stay quiet because I'm afraid.
That's understandable, but silence doesn't help improvement.
So what should I do?
Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Accept mistakes,
Even if it feels uncomfortable?
especially then.
I guess confidence grows little by little.
Yes, step by step.
That makes me feel better.
Good. English is a journey, not a test.
I like that.
Subscribe and like and let English flow.